Fucking drive for shit. No turn signals, fucking weaving in and out of traffic like a goddamn moron. What a fucking idiot. Oh my god, he actually used a turn signal. Holy shit. That's amazing. Fucking idiot. Comes flying up in the lane next to me on a semi, and then at the last second jerks the wheel over and gets behind me and almost loses control of the fucking car. Stupid ass people. I just hope one of these days that one of those morons just fucking comes over in front of me. There's another one. No fucking turn signal. I hope one of these days one of those fucking idiots comes over in front of me, clips my front bumper, and puts themselves into the fucking wall. That would make my day. Then you got this fucking idiot. There's no turn signal again. Signal. Oh my god. Fucking people. God, that pisses me off. That's what I deal with on my way to work every morning. Every fucking morning. And it's like this road is the worst. 70 going through Indianapolis is the worst. I don't understand it. Well, I mean, I partially understand it, but it's just half the people in Indianapolis are fucking ignorant and can't drive. Anyway, that's the start to my morning. God, I got my coffee and I'm stopping to get a Red Bull. I go fucking nuts. Knuckin' butts. Hope everybody has a better day.